eggnog.
Milk didn't do her body good,
And we begged her not to go.
she never listened like she should.
But she forgot her medication, and she staggered out the door into the snow. When we found her Christmas morning at the scene of the attack, the moose had ski marks on his forehead and incriminating track marks on his back. She had all the Christmas presents
Shopping hauls from the big city,
loaded on her sled that day.
buckets of day-old KFC.
Told us all she worked for Santa, delivering Christmas gifts throughout Bristol Bay. It's not Christmas without booze now. Fish and Game put her in jail. Should we go and visit Glusna, or is missing Christmas moonlight never sail? The aqueducts on the table